All right, we're at the Ducktown, eating chili. The Belt. Johnny talks shit, right? He talks about how good his chili is. Johnny talks shit about everything, but his chili's one of them. Chef Mike, boom. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna eat some chili, and this is what we're gonna do for pretty much every restaurant in the area that's participating. We're gonna stop by. We're gonna judge for ourselves. Now, with the Chili Knockout and Spicy Food Festival, you guys, yourselves, you're the judges. Like right now, we can judge chili because we're gonna be judgmental. Bree, believe it or not, is not a fan of chili. But as part of the job description, eat shit you're not supposed to eat.
She's got a tough
Boom, here she goes. So by the time we get the Chili Knockout on May 21st, chiliKnockout.com, we'll have burned the colons out of our body with all the chili we're gonna eat.
We're done.
All right, so Chili Knockout, Spicy Food Fest, the Belt, $5,000 cash prize, $2,500 to the restaurant, $2,500 to the charity of the restaurant's choice. We are at the world famous Ducktown Tavern right here in Atlantic City, and we got the chili. Chef Mike, he crushes it. So if you do a whole lot of food festivals, or you're familiar with food festivals in Atlantic City or Atlantic County, Johnny doesn't just come out for any food festival. He's pretty proud of this chili that Chef Mike whipped up.
Looks
We're moving
good.
it around. It's chunky. I see some vegetables. I see beans. Our office is
Tons
going to
of
smell
beans.
terrible.
Tons
Our
of
office
beans.
is literally going to smell terrible.
I'm
The
worried more
mailman's
about the car ride back. We're really in trouble.
Yep.
Stock in Lysol.
Yep, mailman's gonna walk into our office and go, man, it smells like shit here in GTT. We're just gonna be ripping it. All right, so here we go. Preview first. No, you
Ladies
you
first.
like chili
You gotta
less
do
than
it.
anybody,
Yeah.
so then I mean, come on.
If we can make a believer out of you.
Okay.
You didn't eat any beans, did you?
No, I didn't.
Bean
I'll eat a
avoid.
bean.
She's
Okay.
gonna eat a
okay.
bean.
I'll eat two beans. Two beans. Okay.
That's it. So beans aren't bad. They're the musical fruit.
We're excited.
All right, Maddie.
The musical fruit.
Yeah, the more you eat, the more you toot. The more you toot, the better you feel. Eat your beans at every
Every
meal.
meal. Good flavor.
It's not too
Good
hot.
flavor. No, not
So-
a lot of spice.
Here's what I'll tell you. I know
I'll actually
Johnny's
go
gonna
for a second scoop.
go for two varieties, the spicy variety and the regular variety, to give you folks a choice, but I'm not sure which one he's gonna enter in the contest. I'm semi-partial because I've had this chili before, and I like this chili on a chili burger. As a fat guy, chili burgers are where it's at. I'm give it a scoop, give it a taste, I'm getting lots of beans in there. Yeah,
Good flavors.
that's a hearty chili.
Nah, that's delicious.
Like, not overly complicated, not super fancy, just a basic chili. Here at the Ducktown, one of our contestants for the Chili Knockout and Spicy Food Festival. Yeah, that's really good.
No.
One of our contestants, May 21st, New York Avenue. Almost 20 restaurant purveyors, artists, live music, entertainment, tons of shit.
Hot pepper contest.
Hot pepper eating contest. Guess hot sauce contest. Entertainment. I got chili in my mustache. Local
Swear
artists, fun. But yeah, Good Time Tricycle presents Chili Knockout, Spicy Food Fest. You know, we're gonna have High Noon. We're gonna have our friends at Dogfish Head, Mr. Alibi, Little Water making spicy cocktails, Ralphie making spicy ice creams. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna burn your colons out. It's gonna be awesome. Make sure you get your tickets at chiliKnockout.com. We're gonna finish eating our grub.
Getting it in.
Word.